Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app keeps logging you out. First, head over to your App Store or Play Store. Then, install the latest update. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes updated. Then, restart the device to refresh the system. After that, swipe down from your phone settings and then turn battery saver mode off. This can stop apps from closing. Then delete and reinstall the app. Then log in again. After that, turn off VPN if enabled. It can cause login problems. Always log out properly before closing the app. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app keeps logging you out. Subscribe for more banking fixes.